Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell, I am on location here to bring you my FabFitFun picks for fall 2024. So if you want to check out all the new add-ons that I wanted to add to my cart for this season, definitely keep watching. If you are new here, thanks so much for checking this out. I'm a full-time working mom, but in my spare time, I love making these videos on fashion, beauty, mommy lifestyle, a little bit of luxury, and reselling as well. So if those kind of things sound interesting, definitely check out my other videos linked below, and please also consider hitting that subscribe button. If you are returning, thank you so much for watching yet another video. Alright guys, this is a little bit of a special FabFitFun video. If you watch my channel, you know I love putting these together. This is one of my most favorite videos to make because I really look forward to FabFitFun every season. As you guys probably know, this video is in no way sponsored. I purchase all of these items by myself. I've just been a loyal annual subscriber for many years now, and I love interacting with you all in terms of picks that I like, what I don't like, and I love hearing your feedback as well. And as you will see in these videos, I definitely listen to your feedback. So definitely comment below what your thoughts are on the add-ons for fall 2024. As you can see, I'm on location, so to speak. I am currently on the beautiful Disney Dream cruise ship. As you can see by my Disney getup here, we are on the Disney Dream and coming back now from 12-night cruise through Norway and Iceland, which was amazing. I have a little bit of vlog footage which I will try to put together, so stay tuned for that if you want to check that out. I also have some shopping unboxings as well to share with you guys from this beautiful trip we have to Europe. Sadly though, by the time this video goes live, I will be back at home. So we are heading back right now, but since the add-ons just opened, I thought I'd throw together this quick video for you because I can't miss a FabFitFun season. So if you are new to FabFitFun, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box where you get full-size products every season, which is amazing. And this video though, I'm going to focus on the add-ons for this season. So if you select some of these add-on or upcharges for additional items, they ship free of charge with your seasonal box, at least in the continental US. So that's really nice little perk, and they often add really cool items. Some of them are box favorites from before, some of them are new ones, but they're all really good, high quality products for the most part. So if you are new to FabFitFun, definitely consider using my referral code in the description box down below. It will save you a little bit of money. Alright guys, so I probably should just jump into this video. I really did honestly throw this together just because the add-ons went live, and even though I'm on vacation, I needed to see what was out there and figure out if there are some things that I wanted to add to cart, which I did. I will put all of the relevant dates down below. As you all know, I'm sure if you're watching this video, you're a FabFitFun fan like I am. The add-on sale and customization window will close soon, so I will put all the relevant links down below for annual members. So if you are a seasonal member, you also will have an opportunity to shop these sales, but your dates are a little bit different. I will include all of the relevant dates in the description box down below for your reference. Okay, let me just jump into this before this video gets too lengthy. I have about, let's see, 9 items in my cart currently from the add-on sale. So as usual, I want to hear what you guys think. What do you think about the add-ons this season? At first, I thought I was going to be underwhelmed. I think I've just been shopping a lot lately. There's a Nordstrom anniversary sale, which I will update you guys later, the things I decided to purchase from that. I also have been just shopping a lot online. I've been on vacation. I will do some unboxing luxury vlogs for you guys later about that. So I've kind of shopped out, I hate to say, a little bit. So I thought this would be a little bit underwhelming for me, but as I went through all the items, I actually picked out 9 very good ones. I even weeded through my cart already a little bit because I had more already in there. But I'm really trying to be intentional about the things I buy just because, you know, all of us, I think, have a lot of stuff. So I wanted to try to narrow some things down. So I narrowed them down to 9, but I think there are 9 really good ones, and the savings are pretty good on all these items. I will note the savings for some items are really not that great. I saw some discounts that were even less than 10% off, which in my opinion probably isn't worthwhile because most of these things you can get on sale elsewhere. So I try to be really thoughtful about watching how much savings they're offering as I add things to my cart. Just as a reminder, as you know, once the sale window for you closes, you do not check out. Anything in your cart is automatically billed to you. So just be very careful that toward the end of the sale, you really truly do weed through your cart and just make sure you have only what you really want still left in there. Otherwise, you will be purchasing what's in there. All right, so I will just jump into this, and this is in no particular order. And as usual, I will try to pop up a picture of the item that I have here to my side so you can take a look at what I'm referring to. The first item in my cart here is this hair, I guess, accessory. It's from the Hair Edit. It's ballerina knots, so it looks like little elastics with a little bow on it. I thought this was so cute. It's 33% off, and you get 3 of them. So I thought this was really great because at work I tie my hair back with an elastic or hairband, but this was a cute little bow detail that's added onto this, which I thought was really fun. As you all know, there's really a trend for hair bows these days, but the more, I guess, louder, larger bows for me, at least for work, probably wouldn't be totally professional. So I thought that this would be a cute little nod to that trend. So I almost for sure am gonna pick this set up. The next thing in my add-on cart now is from Honest Beauty. It's a brow pencil with spoolie. It's in the color Soft Black, which I think will be good for me. It is 46% off, which is pretty good. I do like Honest Beauty products. I know FabFitFun has offered Honest Beauty products in the past. This looks like kind of a mini size. It's 0.4 ounces, so it's not super large, but I'm actually in need of brow pencils because the ones I have are running out. So I thought I would add this one to try this line out. All right, next up is a hair accessory again, and I just really love picking up these hair accessories from FabFitFun. It's from Kish, which I think makes really good quality hair products. It's an eco-friendly marble claw clip in this brunette color, as you can see here with this kind of marbling. I thought it was really pretty. It's 40% off, just to tie my hair back. These clips are super easy to use, so I thought that was a nice one. It's a very neutral color as well. The next item is a beauty item, and this is from Gwen Stefani's line. It's the Line It Up Clean 24-Hour Gel Pencil Waterproof Eyeliner. It got pretty good reviews, as you can see here, and it's only $5, which is pretty good. It's 75% off, which is a great deal, so I haven't really figured out why it isn't marked down so much. It is a pretty mini size, it looks like. But I think this will be perfect for me. The color here is, I think I got violet timing. They didn't have classic black, which is what I tend to go for, but this violet is a very dark violet, so I thought this would probably work almost like black. So I'm going to try this out. I wear eyeliner in addition to an eyebrow pencil every single day essentially, so I'm always on the lookout for new versions to try out. Comment below, let me know if you tried Gwen Stefani's line and what you think about it. Next up is another favorite for me from FabFitFun, and that's nail polishes. I tend to pick up at least 1 or 2 every add-on season just because I do my own manicures, just mostly for the sake of time, but also it saves money and they're pretty easy to do, and I think it's relaxing to do my own nails. So I tend to do that. I love these colors, especially the darker ones there for fall. I don't quite have those shades. And then the lighter colors here are perfect neutrals. So overall, I love neutrals the most, but now and again, I do like a little pop of color. So I thought this set would be really great. You get 4 of them, and it's a pretty good deal. It's $14 for 4 nail polishes, which I think is a pretty good offering here. And I don't know this brand. It's Bellevue Parfums USA. So let me know what you think about it. It claims that it looks like a gel manicure without needing a UV light, which is really nice. I love gel manicures, but I do honestly get nervous about using the UV light, such that I don't tend to do that very often, just because you know, I get worried about the risk of skin aging, but more importantly, cancer as well. I don't know if any of that is validated, but I do in the back of my mind kind of worry about that stuff. So I like manicures that don't require the UV light. All right, next up is this set of socks from Lux. I thought this was super perfect for me. It comes with a set of 3 boot socks, and it looks like it's just going to be cozy to wear under boots or even with Uggs, because I like this look as well. So looks like it's polyester nylon spandex, and there's a pair of a snowflake pattern, and then 2 just kind of more basic colors, which I think would go really, really well in neutral. So I love this particular set, and I thought it was a pretty good value as well. Alright, so next up here, I have another favorite that I've purchased before from FabFitFun and elsewhere, and it's the moisturizer that I currently am using. So this is from Elemis. It's the Pro Collagen Marine Cream. You probably have seen this many different places offered before, but I think this is a pretty good offering from FabFitFun. It's only $19, which is an amazing savings. I don't know how accurate this is, but FabFitFun claims the comp value is $93. I know it's pretty high. I don't know if it's quite $93 for this size, but still, 19 bucks is definitely a steal. I use this one at night, and during the daytime I use the same cream but with the SPF inside. So I don't believe you should tend to use SPF moisturizers at night, so I try to pick the one up that does not have the SPF, just like this one for my nighttime cream. And daytime I use the same thing but with the SPF. So I needed to restock on this. I was super happy to see this. I'm definitely going to pick this up. In fact, I might end up picking up more than one just to restock, but I really like the moisturizer. I think it's overall, I would say, a lighter weight moisturizer, but it's really refreshing, and I think it does a pretty good job. Alright, so the next item here is an item that I got from the box, I think last season, as part of the seasonal box, and I like it so much that I wanted to get another one. This is from the line Vacation. It's a Super Spritz SPF 50 face mist. So it got pretty good reviews, as you can see here. It's $12, which is 50% off. And I just love spritzing this over my makeup as a touch-up for SPF during the day. I think that's super important and very convenient. So in fact, I do have this in my travel makeup bag literally right now as I'm on vacation here, because even though we are in the North Atlantic cruising around, you still get a lot of sun. So I spritz this on during the day. It's super convenient, especially if you have little kids like I do. You know, they hate putting regular sunscreen on their face. So this little spritz is really nice and convenient. It also smells really nice. So I just really love that particular product. So I'm going to restock on that. And then finally, I just have one last item here, and I couldn't decide when I wanted to pick up from this line here, but I finally selected this scent. It's the Vusa Candle. So if you watch my videos, I purchased Vusa not from FabFitFun before, but mostly from Nordstrom, other places. I think other retailers obviously sell this line of candle. I think for the money that you're spending, the throw of this candle, the beauty of the vessel is just really amazing and high quality. So I just really love this line of candles. They have a couple of Vusa offerings. As you can see, the savings on these candles aren't super great. It's 19%, but I think that's decent, such that I'm probably going to try to pick this up because I think this one is beautiful. So I do love berry scents, especially in the fall, I would say, and that's what this box is geared toward, of course. So this is a Santiago Huckleberry Classic Candle. So apparently it has some tart summer berry scents, and it has some vanilla bean and sugarcane scents as well. So I think this is like a beautiful, fruity type of jam-like scent it's described as. It's a 9-ounce candle. So yeah, I'm just excited to try this. I mean, look at these vessels. Vusa makes, in my opinion, some of the best vessels for candles. As you can see, this is just gorgeous. I love this deep purple. So I have a hard time resisting new candles. So this one I'm probably going to end up picking up. But they have a couple other fun little offerings from Vusa this time, which I think is not commonly done on FabFitFun. Alright, so I think that brings me to the end of what's in my cart. I think those were 9 items. I am excited about them. I don't know if I'm going to weed any more out. I'll really try to think hard about it. As you know, if you refresh the site throughout the sale opening, a lot of items become available. They actually add new items, I think, as well. Sometimes when I first log in and go through every single item, which I did, and I look back a day or so later, there are some new items that weren't there at the beginning of the sale. So either somebody quickly snatched them up and it sold out and then put them back, or FabFitFun was adding a couple extra items throughout the sale. So either way, definitely check back, because you have the opportunity, I think, to score some pieces that you might have wanted that weren't available in the beginning. So I'm going to work through this a little bit more over the next day or two and figure out what I truly want. But so far, this is what I have in my cart. So please let me know what you guys think about my picks. Comment below if you own any of these, what you think about these products, or maybe more importantly, what are some items that you think I missed that I would absolutely love in the add-on sale? I really listen to your feedback, and we'll use that to decide kind of how I narrow down this cart. If you're a FabFitFun lover and subscriber like I am, you know that the customization window is open as well, and I will do a follow-up video to this one to share with you all my customization picks for all the choices for the fall 2024 FabFitFun box, which I'm super excited about as well. And then of course make sure you're subscribed to this channel, because when I finally get my fall 2024 box, which includes these add-ons, I will share with you a true mega unboxing, and will show you up close details of all the products and my first impressions of them as well. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy. I want to sign out now from the beautiful Disney Dream, and I will see you in my upcoming next video, which will be my Customize With Me. Hope you're staying safe and healthy. See you next time. Bye-bye.